Hey there, Techno Weebs. Welcome to Tech Atlantean. Continuing our mini-series on chakras of the human body, we have the sixth chakra Ajna, or the third eye chakra. Located between the eyebrows, the Ajna chakra is linked to the lightning-like nature of insight and intuition. It governs mental clarity, inner vision, and spiritual awareness. Like a sudden flash of lightning, it brings deep understanding and powerful realization. Each chakra has a corresponding via mantra or seed sound that can be chanted to activate and balance it. For the Ajna or third eye chakra, it is Om. Try repeating it 108 times to awaken your inner vision and intuitive wisdom. Yoga positions associated with Ajna chakra are easy pose or Sukhasana, Shavasana or corpse pose, Balasana or child pose. These asanas help calm the mind and direct awareness inward. By practicing them, you enhance your intuition, clarity, insight, awareness, inner vision, and focus. Balancing this chakra strengthens your ability to see beyond illusions, trust your instincts, and connect to higher consciousness.
To know about other chakras, ways to activate them, and benefits, follow Tech Atlantean. Share with your friends and don't forget to drop a like.